Hello everyone, I am Anuj Nakade and you're watching Live Law. We bring you international news about Advocate Vrinda Grover, a prominent Indian lawyer and women's rights activist. And the news is that Advocate Vrinda Grover has been appointed as a member of the Independent International Commission of Inquiry on Ukraine. In a press release made on June 28, 2023, the President of the United Nations Human Rights Council, Ambassador Vaclav Balek of the Czech Republic, has appointed Advocate Vrinda Grover as a member of the Independent International Commission of Inquiry on Ukraine. Advocate Grover will be a part of a three-person commission of inquiry on Ukraine constituted by the United Nations Human Rights Council on the 4th of March 2022. This committee has the mandate to investigate all alleged violations of abuses of human rights, violations of international humanitarian law, and related crimes in the context of the aggression of Russia against Ukraine. In April of this year, the UNHRC renewed the council for a period of 1 year, and Advocate Grover will be joining Erik Mos of Norway and Pablo de Greiff of Colombia, who have been serving as the chair and commissioner of the commission since March of 2022. Erik Mos is a former judge of the European Court of Human Rights, former president of the International Criminal Tribunal for Rwanda, and a former judge of the Supreme Court of Norway. He chaired the Council of Europe's Steering Committee for Human Rights, the expert committee drafting the European Convention for the Prevention of Torture, and has published extensively on human rights. On the other hand, Pablo de Greiff is an academician and holds a PhD in political theory. From 2001 to 2014, he was the Director of Research at the International Center for Transitional Justice, and since 2014, he has been the Senior Fellow and Director of the Transitional Justice Program at the Center for Human Rights and Global Justice at the School of Law of New York University. The press release announcing the appointment of Advocate Vrinda Grover notes, and I quote, "A practicing advocate in India, Grover has more than 34 years of experience in constitutional law, criminal law, and human rights. She has appeared as counsel in landmark cases before trial courts, high courts, and the Supreme Court of India, as well as before the commissions of inquiry and quasi-judicial authorities." It also cites her work as a current serving chair of the Board of International Service for Human Rights and mentions that she is also a founding member of the independent expert of the Working Group on Human Rights in India and the UN. She was a member of the UN Women Asia Pacific Regional Civil Society Advisory Group between 2012 and 2016, and in 2012, she participated in a fact-finding mission of the World Organization Against Torture and of the International Federation for Human Rights in the Philippines to investigate the situation of human rights defenders in the country. The Commission is scheduled to present an oral update to the Human Rights Council at its 54th session in September, and later submit a report to the General Assembly at its 78th session in October of 2023. It is also expected to submit a comprehensive report to the Human Rights Council at its 55th session in March next year. That's all we have for you in this video. If you found this video informative, please leave a like and tell us in the comments how we can shape our content to bring you your legal news in more engaging ways. If you want to read more about this update, please visit our website at www.livelaw.in. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for notifications. Thank you.